upcycling this shirt. I'm just taking off the pockets. Using the chalk, I've just decided where I'm going to put the line to cut it. These are old cargo trousers which I'm now unpicking, and I'm going to use pockets and things like that for other projects. I took the trouser legs, part of it, and I've used those as my arms, and I've just cut here the shirt to where my desired line, and I am just doing some folds in the fabric, just to, which I'm going to add to the shirt as part of the dress. Is actually, this is an old remnants from an old factory in the UK, which I like to do because as a sustainable brand, I like to get things from surplus stuff from UK manufacturers. And on here I'm just stitching up the fabric, but make sure you take your pins out. I'm overlocking on here, just make it nice and neat. And I'm just going to try out and see how it looks on the dress before it's all completed, and if there's any more adjustments I need to make, I can do that before I finish up. Here I was actually quite liking the look of it. So far so good. And on here I was just checking the length of it. I wasn't quite happy at one point with the length, whether I wanted to cut the bottom blue fabric that I've added to it, whether I wanted to be shorter, but I ended up having to actually cut it a little bit shorter to my desired length. I love the pink sleeves that I've added to that. It actually looks quite lovely, and you can't tell that they've actually come from trouser legs. Yeah, so far so good, but I would love to find some blue I would love to find some pink buttons so I can actually change that. And on here I was just trying to see whether I wanted the pocket in contrasting color, and actually the pink did look quite nice, so I decided actually I'm going to stitch a pocket on that. That's another upcycled repurposed skirt. As I was happy on how everything was coming along, it was now time to put everything together to finish off the look, attaching all the sleeves together. I already overlocked them to make it nice and neat, then attach them to the old shirt just to complete it. If you haven't subscribed yet, why not? Do subscribe to my channel and see what else we can repurpose together. If you've got any questions, leave me any questions in the comment box, and hope we can continue to repurpose more clothes in our wardrobe. Just ironing here to hem the bottom of the dress. So it's all now completed. Here's the whole look. I was very happy with the results, and you can see what all the components are made from. Why don't you try your own out and see how it works out? It doesn't have to be right. You can make it your own, it to be unique to you. So take the plunge and repurpose your wardrobe. Thank you for watching my video, and see you next time.